हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रोग्रामर्स कॉलेज। दोस्तों आज हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू सीरीज और इस इंटरव्यू सीरीज को आप लास्ट तक जरूर देखें क्योंकि हर टाइप की लैंग्वेजेस के बिगिनर से लेके एक्सपर्ट लेवल तक के इंटरव्यूज हम लोग इसमें देखने वाले हैं। तो दोस्तों आज हमारे साथ है जिशान। बेसिकली जिशान ने हमें कोऑर्डिनेट किया था और मैंने इन्हें इनवाइट किया था हमारे स्टूडियो में हमारे फर्स्ट मॉक सेशन के लिए। तो विदाउट टाइम वेस्ट किए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना सो दैट आपको समझ में आ जाएगा क्वेश्चनिंग किस टाइप से होती है और जिशान उसका आंसर किस टाइप से करते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ जिशान।
Good afternoon, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Zishan Khan. I'm born and raised in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. I've done my senior secondary and higher secondary from Kalidas Montessori Senior Secondary School, which is also located in Ujjain. Right now, I'm pursuing BCA from Lokmanya Tilak Science and Commerce College. I'm in third year with overall of 7 SGPA. Along with all this, I also did a course in React as well as an internship in React. My hobbies are reading books, reading philosophy, and I also like to travel. And my strength is that I am a smart working person, and that's why I believe I will be a good fit for this role. And that's all about me. Thank you. If you want to know more about me, please do ask.
Okay, Jishan. So first of all, Jishan, do you have any idea about the JavaScript?
Yes, sir.
What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is basically the brain of a website. It is a web page which work behind the web page. It is used to update HTML as well as it used to make interactive websites.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the DOM?
DOM is known as Document Object Model,
Okay.
which is also controlled by JavaScript.
Okay.
We can use JavaScript to access DOM, and we have console, window objects, and other objects with DOM.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the variables in JavaScript?
Yes, we have.
Okay. So how many ways to define a variables in JavaScript?
We have three types of variables in JavaScript: var, let, and const.
Okay.
These three are different from each other, but works the same.
Okay.
Var can be redeclare and reinitialize, and it is functional scope.
Okay.
Const is constant, which cannot be redeclared and reinitialized, and let cannot be reinitialized but can be updated.
Jishan, tell me one thing. How much you rate yourself in logical coding out of 10?
I think 7 would be good.
Okay, fine. So, do you have any idea? Do you have any idea about the Fibonacci series?
Yes, sir.
What is Fibonacci series?
Fibonacci series is basically a number of series that is made by adding the last two numbers.
Okay.
For example, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, and so on.
So, Jishan, can you please write down the program for Fibonacci series?
Okay.
So, alright, Jishan, you are using two variables and you are iterating a loop and you are adding two previous number and you are printing this. Okay, fine. So, basically, what is prime number?
Prime number are those numbers that are only divisible by itself.
Okay. So, can you please write down the code for prime number?
Sure.
Okay, complete. Let me check first. Alright. Yes, it's right. Good, Jishan. Good. So, Jishan, you seems very good in programming skills or logical skills. Now, coming to again the depth level questions. First of all, tell me something about what is hoisting in JavaScript.
As we know, JavaScript is a synchronized language. That means the JavaScript execute a code line by line. When we declare a variable, the JavaScript moves the declaration to the top of the code. Okay. So when we declare a variable with var keyword, it will be declared on top of the code with undefined.
And when we will use let keyword, then can we achieve the concept of hosting using let?
Yes, the variables are hoisted, but they are not initialized like undefined. They give error.
Okay, fine. What is callback function in JavaScript?
Callback function, as its name says, it is a function that is telling itself to call again. We pass this function into another function's argument.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the arrays?
Yes, Array is an object in JavaScript that we use to store heterogeneous and homogeneous elements all on specific indexes. We can store multiple elements in this from 0 to infinity.
So, what is the basic difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous elements?
Homogeneous and heterogeneous different from each other because homogeneous means same type of element.
Okay.
Heterogeneous means different type of element.
Do you have any idea about the object-oriented programming? What is OOPS? And what
Object-oriented
about the concepts of OOPS?
Object-oriented programming means we can create object of class and create object. We have encapsulation and aggregation and a lot of more stuff that is used.
So, basically, what is the concept of object-oriented programming? What is the features of object-oriented programming?
In object-oriented programming, we have class, object, polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance.
Okay. So, Dishan, do you have any idea about the compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism?
Compile time and runtime polymorphism are I don't know about this. That's all.
Okay, fine. So, what is IIFE in JavaScript?
IIFE stands for immediately invoked function expression. That means when we create a function and call it right after initializing, that is called IFE.
How many projects you completed in JavaScript?
I have completed a lot of projects that have calculator and a rental website, e-commerce website, and alarm clock, weather application, and a lot more.
Do you have any idea about the ECMAScript features?
Yes, sir, I know about ECMAScript features.
What is basically the rest parameter and spread operator?
Both are known by three dot symbols. The rest parameter is passed in the parameters of a function that stores internally inside an array. And the spread operator is used to spread values of an array.
Alright, Zishan, what is JavaScript promises?
JavaScript promises are used to resolve the asynchronous code. As we know, JavaScript is synchronous language, and when we write asynchronous code in that, the JavaScript code skip or bypass that asynchronous code. So we use promises to resolve or reject that code.
Alright. Okay, so do you have any idea about the destructuring? What is destructuring and how many types of destructuring we have in JavaScript?
We have two types of destructuring in JavaScript. Destructuring is used by spread operator, and the two types of destructuring are object destructuring and array destructuring.
Okay.
In which we store the value of array and object into separate variables.
Okay. So, alright, Dishan. First of all, I just want to give you some feedback. You are selected in first round, and definitely my HR will call you for the second round. And all the best for your future. So friends, ये थे जिशान, और अगर आप भी जिशान की तरह कोई इंटरव्यू देना चाहते हैं तो आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक करें और इस फॉर्म को सबमिट करें. डेफिनेटली अकॉर्डिंग टू माय शेड्यूल मैं आपके लिए टाइम निकालूंगा और हम लोग एक वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों, इस सेशन से ये समझ में आ चुका है कि आंसर्स जिशान ने काफी अच्छे दिए हैं और जिशान का फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर हो चुका है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट और नेक्स्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ. तब तक के लिए हैप्पी कोडिंग.